Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of MZ Mechanic. In this episode we have made a great compilation of dangerous bulldozers against the world. Think of bulldozers taking on tanks, dozens of jeeps, against other bulldozers, or bulldozers running over cars, which are as flat as my girlfriend's breast. Well, I hope she doesn't watch my videos, otherwise I'll be probably sleep on the couch for the rest of the week. And if you like this kind of content, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Here we have the Big Butt Tractor. By the way, this is the biggest tractor in the world and I have made a video about it in the past. As you can see, here it is towing a bulldozer which probably ran into trouble. This is the Caterpillar D10 bulldozer. A massive, strong and heavy dozer, so the big butt comes in handy here. This is not the most spectacular video, but believe me, if you were there, this is still a spectacular sight to see. In this clip, somewhere in Germany, we see a tank versus a tractor, who are preparing doing a pull. Let's see who is the strongest in this area. What do you guys think? Will the tractor win or the tank? The tractor is a Case Steiger STX 440 and the tank is a Jaguar Panzer. Both enormously strong and big. Here we see a big bulldozer. This I think is a Caterpillar D11. If you guys know better, let me know in the comments. Here I think they are examining or testing what a bulldozer is going to do against the tank barrier. These traps are used in war to stop or prevent tanks from entering an enemy area. Large logs stick into the ground at an angle so that a tank gets stuck, which by the way is quite effective against tanks. But here we have a very large bulldozer and I honestly don't think it will be very effective. Will this be a test to use bulldozers in war, or are they just playing it nice with a Cat D11 here? A somewhat older bulldozer, certainly not the biggest out here, which may not be fair in this case, against a group of 20 to 30 jeeps. I wonder how they got the idea to do something like that. Do they just wake up on a Sunday and think, hey, shall we do another pool competition with a bulldozer and 100 jeeps? But no matter, at least it gives us a lot of excitement to watch. And here again we have a giant bulldozer they are going to run over a car with. Again, I believe this is a Caterpillar D11T, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's correct. Such a dozer, I think it weighs something like 50 tons, so you can imagine what it will do to such a small car. Always love to see them run over a car with one of those big bulldozers. Two bulldozers competing against each other in a competition of pushing against each other. One is a Caterpillar D7R and the other brand I really don't know. The Caterpillar is a bit bigger and that works in it advanced, by the looks of it. The other dozer doesn't stand a chance. The Caterpillar proves itself once again and doesn't let itself be beaten by the other party. This is fun, a wheel loader Caterpillar which may demolish an old mobile home. I think this is in a garbage dump. If you look at the wheels on the loader, they are not rubber, they are steel, so it can damage itself. I think the driver of the loader is having a good time. A chance from all the dirty old garbage, and by the looks of it there is no much left of the mobile home either.
Tell her, go ahead. Go ahead, Kathy.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.